Good morning. June 30th today. 7 o'clock. Let's get started and figured we'd go. Get out of here before the sun's already up, but get out of here before it gets real hot, because that's no fun. Trail in the morning looks so nice. Look at this. It's a fun thing to wake up to. Hopefully we can make it to 17 so miles out to the shelter area. I think we're getting rain tonight. That's what they're calling for. So we'll check later in the day. We're coming out to Dan's Pulpit. Look who's out here. Mr. Timex is here. How was that climb, Timex?
It was fun. It was a nice trail going up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was nice and steady.
Yes.
Wow. Look at that view.
You check the snakes first?
Try to clear the way for you.
Okay. We're at Balanced Rock. Just a little blue blaze right here to take you over to Balanced Rock. It's just a view. I'm not saying the rocks are balanced in any way, shape, or form. How we doing? Got the view. Okay. Lookout Hostel. We are actually just leaving. That's what you got to look at the Lookout Hostel. Oh, look at this. A little map of the area. Nice. All right, guys. Storms are coming. We can hear it. We can kind of feel it. So we're just going to get back on trail. The issue I had all day, every time I take a breath it hurts. My whole right side. You know what it is. It's kind of painful. It's really bothering me. Okay. Do this scramble here. We just came up that mad mess down there. And that's where we are going. Right there. Alright guys, I'm going to need all my hands here because I don't want to slip. See you in a bit. Bake Oven Knob, the South Outlook. This is this away. You're baking in an oven out here, hence the name. So here's our raptor silhouettes. That's always cool. So we got plenty of them out here. Watch for all the snakes. Simba. Everything the sun touches is yours. What about that shadowy area over there? That is Camden. You must never go there. Beautiful. I'm sure there's plenty Yeah, snakes in here too, hiding in the cracks and crevices. Okay, good evening. I guess we have a storm rolling in here. Everybody and their mother hit the shelter today, the 4-person shelter that only 3 people could fit in. So they're all tented and squeezing in that place. So we found this little remote, you know, just a little remote camping area here, right off the trail. Well, right there is the Appalachian Trail. Right there, and then, you know, my tent. It's our man's tent. Thunder and lightning. So on this beautiful June 30th day, we did 19 miles from the Eckville shelter to here. So that was our mileage today. And we just had dinner, putting everything away, and then, you know, really there isn't much to do. I guess I could just lay there, do something, I don't know. Maybe write in my journal, because we may be getting rain soon. It's hard to say. It's supposed to rain, but it was supposed to rain most of today, and we really didn't get it. We got a very light sprinkle, and that was about it. Little thunder and lightning, light sprinkle, and then the sun was out the rest of the day. And now it's coming back around, so I guess we're going to get a little rain tonight. That means we're going to be packing up wet tents. Who knows? Anyway, this is we didn't see any snakes in there. AT's up there. And we'll see what tomorrow brings when we get up. Good day today. A lot of mileage in. We'll be, depending on the weather, I don't know what the weather is going to do tomorrow. If it's real bad and raining hard and thunder and lightning, might not make it, but we'll hit the Lehigh Gap. It's only a little over 6 miles away, so that sounds pretty promising. And then that's about it. We'll be going through that area. So as nice as it is, as dark as it's getting, I guess we will reconvene tomorrow morning. So we'll see you tomorrow.